The 2024 Ford Maverick is the Ford's smallest pickup truck, offering a variety of smart features and effective engine options. The Maverick was the first conventional complete hybrid pickup truck that was released in America in 2021. Ford offers the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine as standard equipment on all Maverick vehicles for the 2024 model year. The 2.5-liter hybrid engine is still an option for buyers who seek greater efficiency. While the 2024 Ford Maverick is a fantastic alternative for the majority of buyers of small pickup trucks, buyers should also take the 2023 Honda Ridgeline into consideration. The 2023 Ridgeline is a mid-size pickup truck with stronger performance and towing capacity, however a higher starting MSRP. Dimensions and styling of the exteriors of the Honda Ridgeline and Ford Maverick. In order for the Ridgeline to more readily compete in the mid-size pickup truck sector, Honda delivered a makeover in 2021 that made it appear a little more robust. The front roof pillars sheet metal, which was completely new, was one of the noticeable modifications. New front fenders and a bonnet with a noticeable power bulge are two examples of the design alterations. With a tighter grille and a squared-off snout, Honda further accentuated the Ridgeline's front end. For improved illumination, the front has now been fitted with new LED headlights. Likewise, Honda installed a new front bumper with wide side vents to direct airflow further down the front bumper and skid plate. The Ridgeline's appearance remains unchanged for model year 2023. The 2024 Ford Maverick is a unibody-built small pickup truck. It has a full hybrid drivetrain when it was originally unveiled in 2021, making it the first pickup truck with this specification in America. While Ford still offers a hybrid drivetrain, it won't be the default option by 2024. The Maverick, like every other Ford truck, features a door design with distinctive drop-down side windows and an edge-to-edge front end that is a hallmark of Ford's pickup truck styling. In order to maximize capacity, the 2024 Ford Maverick sports an upright, squared-off design. Ford made sure there was no space between the cab and tailgate, so it would be more dent and ding-resistant. Ford Maverick vs. Honda Ridgeline. Performance and engine options. A 3.5-liter V6 engine with 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque is the only engine available in the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. All four wheels receive power from the engine when it is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Its performance is better than Ford's options for the 2024 Maverick, despite the fact that it is not the most potent engine for a mid-size pickup truck. Ford uses a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine as standard equipment on the Maverick for the 2024 model year. 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque are generated by the four-cylinder engine. Ford also sells a hybrid vehicle that is more effective and has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an electric motor that together produce 191 horsepower. The 2024 Maverick is a front-wheel drive truck, but the turbo four-cylinder engine model has an all-wheel drive system as an option. The 2024 Maverick comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard. Likewise, the hybrid powertrain is equipped with a CVT, continuously variable automatic transmission. The more powerful gas engine is incredibly brisk even though the hybrid is more efficient. One of the most fuel-efficient V6 engines in its class is the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. The 3.5-liter V6 is rated by the EPA at 18 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and 21 miles per gallon on the combined rating. Due to its smaller engine, the 2023 Ford Maverick has a superior rating. Its turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder achieves an amazing 22 miles per gallon city, 28 miles per gallon highway, and 24 miles per gallon combined rating. A higher rating for the hybrid Maverick is 40 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and 37 miles per gallon overall. A maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds is available on all 2023 Honda Ridgeline variants. More than 1,500 pounds of payload may be transported by the Ridgeline. In comparison, The Ford offers lesser towing and payload ratings, with both powertrains sporting maximum towing capacities of 2,000 pounds and 1,500 pounds, respectively. Fortunately, Ford has a tow package as an optional extra, increasing the towing capacity to 4,000 pounds. Ford Maverick versus Honda Ridgeline. Off-road capability. All trims of the modified Honda Ridgeline received tougher-looking 18-inch wheels with a 20mm wider track width as a result of a 10mm smaller back spacing when it was redesigned in 2021. The Ridgeline gained width as a result of the modifications, giving it a more stable stance. All-season tires with a more aggressive shoulder and sidewall design are also available for the Ridgeline. Although Honda doesn't provide a Ridgeline design specifically for off-road use, the HPD package helps give it dynamic new look with the use of aggressive bronze-colored rims, black fender flares, a distinctive grille treatment, and exclusive HPD graphics. Features of the Ridgeline off-road. More intimidating 18-inch wheels, aggressive shoulder and sidewall designs on all-season tires. On all variants, all-wheel drive is standard. To assist the 2024 Ford Maverick be more capable off-road, Ford offers an excellent Tremor package. In the XLT and Lariat trims, Ford originally offered this option starting with the 2023 model year. The turbocharged 2.0-litre engine is a standard feature of the package, as is all-wheel drive. Additionally, for improved off-road capability, it has a twin-clutch rear drive unit with a differential lock mechanism. In order to help customers handle sand, mud, and snow-covered terrains, Ford equipped the Maverick Tremor with 5 drive modes. A further unique feature of the 2024 Ford Maverick Tremor is a trail control that serves as a cruise control for off-road driving. Features of the Maverick Off-Road. Standard all-wheel drive is used. 5 driving modes, system with exclusive trail control, rear drive unit with twin clutches and differential lock. Ford Maverick versus Honda Ridgeline. Interior and features. With a roomy cabin for 5 people, the 2024 Honda Ridgeline offers a cozy and useful interior. The Ridgeline has contrast stitching on the seats as well as some hard plastics in select locations. A few distinctive elements are also added by Honda to the center console, dash, and steering wheel. An 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen is included with every Ridgeline model. Likewise, the Ridgeline has physical volume controls and screen icons to make it simpler to use. In addition, Honda includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. Every 2024 Ford Maverick model is a crew cab, with room for 5 passengers inside. Likewise, the Maverick offers a ton of storage compartments all throughout the inside, including sizable spaces behind the back seat. The 2024 Maverick comes equipped with an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Even on the cheapest model, Ford offers an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. The 3.5-litre V6 engine and a roomy interior are shared by all 4 of the 2023 Honda Ridgeline's model levels. The RTL includes additional luxuries including leather seats, blind spot monitors, heated front seats, a 4-way power-adjustable front passenger seat, and a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, in addition to the majority of the standard amenities found in the base sport grade. XL, XLT, and Lariat are the 3 2024 Maverick trim levels offered by Ford. On the other hand, Ford also offers a hybrid 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine. However, the 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder is the standard engine for all variants. While the XLT and Lariat trims are more expensive, they come with a Tremor package that enables customers to purchase a small pickup vehicle with off-road capabilities. Having said that, what you rather have? The Honda Ridgeline or the Ford Maverick? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.